Okay, let's start with math. Before we continue working in the notebook, remember that yesterday we were solving some multiplications in the notebook, right? So multiplications. Now, we're going to continue with reviewing multiplications, but before that, let's review the tables. I'm going to be asking just a couple of tables, so if you know the answer, unmute your microphone and tell me the answer, yes? Now, who knows the answer of 5 times 7?
35.
Excellent. 7 times 8.
56.
9 times 9.
81.
8 times 4.
32. 32.
3 times 7.
21.
2 times 1.
3.
2 times 1.
2.
7 times 0.
0.
That's right. Excellent. Now let's continue here with the review multiplication. This is the same title of yesterday, so if you write the same, you have a space in the page, you can continue using the same page if you have a space, because it's the same. It's a review. I'm going to give you 1 minute to write review multiplication. I know that some of you were not connected yesterday here, so you can write this as a title, review multiplication. 1 minute. 1 minute to do that, please. If you have yesterday you copied this and you have a space, continue using the same page. It's okay. It's okay. Now, if you remember yesterday, the multiplication that we solved, they were like 2 or 3 digits. So we're going to continue regrouping, multiplying with 2, 3, or 4 digits regrouping. Remember that for us to solve these multiplications, we need to know the tables. So, and that is part of your homework for this week, to review the multiplications, to continue studying, because they are so important, and we need to remember them. Now, let's go to next slide. This is the one that we're going to work today here. Have it. Now, as you can notice here, we have 3 digits. We have 412 times 8. We have 3 digits in 412. Remember that we start multiplying the ones. So we say 8 times 2, because number 2 is on the ones. What is the answer of 8 times 2, class?
16.
16. So we regroup 6 ones and we regroup 1 as 10. So we know 8 times 2 is 16. We write number 6 on the ones and we regroup 1. This is the way that we show the work. Now we continue multiplying. 8 times 1.
8.
8. Thank you, Rebecca. Plus 1.
9.
9. Remember that we add the number that we regroup. Now 8 times 4.
24.
Do not copy right now. Do not copy. 8 times 4.
24. 8.
It's 24.
32.
It's
32.
24 or 32, class?
32.
24.
32. 32.
Now, excellent. Now, where we should write the comma?
Between
the 3 and the 2. Between the 3 and the 2. That's right. And we have the number 3,296. That is the answer for our multiplication. Do not copy this. Right now, do not copy that. Now we have number 2, 480 times 6. What is the first digit that we're going to multiply in 480 times 6?
That's 0.
6 times 0 or 0 times 6. What is the answer?
0.
0, that's right. Every single number that is multiplied by 0, the answer is 0. Now 6 times 8.
48.
48, that's right. So which number we're going to write down here?
8.
The 8, that's right. And what happened with number 4?
and regroup.
We regroup number 4. That's right, on the floor. Now we continue multiplying 6 times 4.
24.
24 plus 4.
28.
28. That's right. Do we need to write a comma here?
Between the 2 and the 8.
Excellent, Lucia. Between the 2 and the 8. And we have the number?
2,888.
Excellent. 2,880. That is the answer, the multiplication. Now, you are going to copy this and solve by yourself. 893 times 1. Copy this, number 3 and number 4. Solve number 3 and number 4, please, in your notebook.
I finished.
You finished number 3?
Yes.
Okay. Work on number 4. Okay, work on number 3, 4, 5, 6. Copy all of them. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's work on this. From 3 to 8 in your notebook and solve. Then we're going to check the answers.
Okay. We have to upload this to Schoology.
No, you're not going to upload this to school. Today you're not going to upload it.
Copy these.
Yes, copy from 3 to 8. You're going to solve in your notebook 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, let's see. Lucia says that you finished number 3, right? Lucia, can you tell me what is the answer of number 3?
893.
893. Who has the same answer?
Yes.
Me. It's
Yes,
correct.
it's correct.
It's correct.
Yes, it's correct. Remember that every single number that is multiplied by 1 is the same number. 3 times 1, 3. 9 times 1, 9. 8 times 1, 8. So you say 893 times 1, it's 893. Excellent. Let's put a check here because you have... Yes, because it's by 1. You multiply by 1, it is easy one, right?
I finished the 4 also.
Finish the 4. Okay, but let's give the chance to somebody else. Thank you, Lucia. Khaled, let's work with you number 4. 202 times 5, Khaled.
10,000.
110?
110?
No. No answer. Yes.
1010.
It's 1010.
1010
Yeah.
this way?
Yeah.
Yes, it's
Yeah.
because the way that you say 110, but 1010 is different. Yes, let's see. We have 5 times 2,
10,000.
10. That's right. So remember, we regroup to 1 and we write it down to 0. 5 times 0, it's 0. But we have plus 1, so we write 1. Excellent. 5 times 2 equals 10, and we write the comma. That is great. Excellent. It's 1,000, not 100. 1,010. Perfect. Who finished number 5? Who has the answer number 5? No yet? Okay.
No yet. Me?
Who has the answer?
Lucia.
Lucia. No, let's give the chance to somebody else. Lucia and Khaled, they already participate, so someone else. Lucian?
$1,698.
1,698 is the answer of Sian.
Yeah.
Sian's answers. Lucia, you have the same answer? Yes.
Yeah.
Check your answer. Do not just copy the answer. Check the answer if you have the same answer of Sian and Lucia.
Yes, correct.
Correct?
correct. Yeah.
Mia, it's correct.
Yeah. Correctly means.
Rebecca. Mhm. Gabriela Gigurems.
I had the other one.
You have number 6. Okay, you're going to help me. Just let's check this one. 6 times 3 is 18. That's right. So that's why Zion says that it's 8 here down because she regrouped the 1 on the tens, 1 cent. Now 6 times 8. Okay, 48 plus 1. Okay. Now we write it down. And 6 times 2. Okay, excellent. That's right. Remember that in the homework that you have, you have some exercises like this. You need to show your work.
Complete the homework.
You already completed. Remember to write these numbers like this, that I'm writing down number 1, the number that you regroup to show your work. You can use a different color to write these numbers. So in this way, I know that you solve by yourself. You don't use a calculator or you don't use any other device. You solve it because you're writing down the numbers that you are regrouping. Now, number 6, Gabriela, 216 times 6. What is the answer?
The answer is 1,296.
96. Okay, let me know if you have the same answer of Gabriela Gigurems.
Yeah.
Yes.
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 Isabella?
I have the answer of another one.
You have number 7. Okay, excellent. Now, just let's see. You have the same answer of Gabriela, the number 6, Isabella? Yes. Okay, number 7, 167 times 2. What is the answer, Isabella?
334.
334. This is the answer, class. Thank you so much.
Yes.
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 No.
No.
Yes. No.
Yes. Okay,
Yes.
let's check. Rebecca,
Yes.
let's check this one. Rebecca, what is the answer of 2 times 7, Rebecca?
14.
14. So you write it down 4 and you regroup number 1. Excellent. Now, Rebecca, 2 times 6 or 6 times 2?
12.
12 plus 1?
13.
13. So we write number 3 and we regroup number 1 here as 100s. Now, 2 times 1?
2.
Plus 1?
3.
3. So it's correct. That's right. 334 because we already checked this answer and we find it out that we say 2 times 1, it's 2, but we do not miss or we don't have to forget that we need to add this number 1, that is the number that we are regrouping. Excellent. So it's correct. Thank you so much, Isabella. Thank you so much, Rebecca. Now, number 8, who has the answer of 208 times 6? Mia Valentina. Okay, Mia, what is the answer of that one? We have 208 times 6. This is number 8.
100, bueno, es 100, 102. Lo voy a escribir en el chat que no sé cómo se pronuncia.
No, try to say. We're going to you're going to send it through the chat. Okay, let's see. Who wants to help Mia to pronounce that number? How do you pronounce that number?
1,288.
1,248. 48 is the answer of Mia. Is it correct, class?
Yes.
1,248 the answer?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, Mia. 1,000. Remember that you don't say 100. You say 1,000 because you have the comma. Remember that when we have the comma, we start a new period, so we say 1,000. 200 because it's on the hundreds. 48. That is the pronunciation. Thank you so much, Mia. Now, if you check the answer, you're going to find out that it's correct. That's right. It's correct. So remember that when we are solving this this multiplication, we multiply one by one. 6 times 8, 6 times 0, 6 times 2, in order to find the answer. Don't forget to add the numbers that we regroup. If you forget to add the number that you regroup, the answer is going to be incorrect because you forgot to add. But if you add them, the answer is going to be correct. Okay, thank you, Joshua. Thank you. Now, did you finish to copy this? Did you finish this exercise class? Yes?
Yeah.
Finish all of them? Yes. Okay, let me clear all this information and let's continue working on more.
No.
Oh,
Miss, I copy for in the next part for what?
okay, this one. You're going to copy from 9 to 12. Let's copy this 4. Let's this 4
Okay.
first. This 4. The first 4 you're going to copy and solve by yourself. This 4 copy.
Miss, I have the answer with the number 1.
Okay, I'm going to choose the person that hasn't participated.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yes. And then you are going to check if you have the same answer as that person that I'm going to choose.
El cumpleañero. Chávez.
Santiago Chavez, you think that he's the one that's chosen to give the answer of number 9?
Yes, 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 yes. Claro que yes.
You have the answer of number 9, Santiago Chavez, 305 times 6? No yet.
Oh.
Sian, do you have it, the answer? Yes? Okay. Alberto, do you have the answer of number 9?
Teacher, copy, sorry.
I have.
Copy from 9 to 12. 9 to 12 and solve it. Right now, just this 4 and solve by yourself. Alberto, you finished number 9? You have the answer of 305 times 6?
That's
35.
Okay, one more time, sorry. What is the answer?
1,835.
Okay, thank you so much, Alberto. Now let's check Alberto's answer. Do you have the same answer of Alberto?
No, Freddy,
No.
Freddy, Freddy.
1,930.
830.
830? No,
It's Freddy.
Yes.
Why? No.
1,830, you say no 35?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
let's check here. Let's check. We have 6 times 5 or 5 times 6. What is the answer of 5 times 6? Or 6 times 5?
30.
30, that's right. So here, let me write it down one more time. Okay, it's 30, right? So we write number 0, and which number will we regroup?
3.
3, that's right. Now 6 times 0,
0.
Plus 3.
It's 3.
3, that's right. Now 6 times 3. 3 times 6. 6 times 3 or 3 times 6. It's the same.
8. Yes.
8. 18, that's right. So 18, and we write a comma because we know that we start a new period. We know the comma is between number 1 and number 8. So we have 1,830. That's right. So 1,830 is the answer of number 1. Excellent. You did a great job. Now let's see number 10. Number 10. Let's see another boy. Joshua, number 10. Do you have the answer of 838 times 3?
Not yet.
No yet.
I finished the second and third one.
Okay, Sian. Did you already participate?
For
Yes, Lucia, you already participated. Joshua is going to help you with number 10, and number 11 is going to be Santiago Hernandez. Number 11, Santiago Hernandez. Okay, Joshua, what is the answer of 8 times 3 or 3 times 8?
it's 24.
24, that's right. So we write number 4 and we regroup the number 2. Now, 3 times 3.
3 times 3 is 9.
Plus 2.
Plus 2. It's 11.
11, excellent. So we write number 1 and we regroup the other one on the hundreds. Now, 8 times 3 or 3 times 8.
It's the same.
It's the same, that's right. 24 plus
24.
1.
It's 25.
25, that's right. Where we should write the comma?
And in the 5.
Okay, in the 5 or between the 2 and the 5. So we say 2,514. Excellent. Santiago, thank you so much. Santiago Hernandez, number 11. We have 683 times 5. So we multiply first 5 times 3 or 3 times 5, Santiago. What is the answer? It's no more Santiago Hernandez connected? No, right?
No, sí. Ya ves. Ya la
No, Santiago Hernandez, no. Okay, Santiago Chavez, let's work together, Santiago Chavez. What is the answer of 5 times 3, Santiago?
35.
No, 3 times 5. Marcelo, help Santiago Chavez. What is the answer of 5 times 3 or 3 times 5, Marcelo?
15.
15, that's right. So we write number 5 and we regroup the 1. What is the answer of 8 times 5, Marcelo?
¿Qué no le dice?
No. Fernando, help Marcelo. 8 times 5, Fernando.
40.
40 plus 1.
41.
41, that's right. So we write number 1 and the 4 we regroup as what? 400. Now 6 times 5, Fernando?
15.
30.
30 plus 4,
34.
34.
34, that's right. So we have the answer of 3,415. Remember to write the comma. Okay, yes? Now, did you finish the copy? Did you solve the last one? Who finished number 1? 991 times 5.
1 times 1. 5.
I finished them.
What is the answer? Give me the complete answer of that one. Who has it?
4,955.
495.
4,955.
55, right? That is the same answer that you have? Yes?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
that's right. Yes, that is the answer. Excellent. Now let's finish here. Let's finish here. Time's over. Let's finish. So if you finish, just show me your notebook. Show me your notebook, please, that you were working today here. I'm going to be checking your notebooks. Let me see. Okay. Okay, excellent, excellent. Now let's finish here. Remember, you have one homework in math. It's to review the tables and the worksheet that yesterday I showed you. Okay, bye-bye. See you next class. Bye-bye.